What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are starting our day at this addition and remodel job. You can see we got PVC going on all the posts here. Obviously all the stickers on it will be ripped off. PVC under the soffit there. So this is what we've been working on the past few days. You can see here you got the side of this post and the back that has to get PVC still. So we are moving right along here. Yesterday when we were here, I probably should have made a video, but it was a very busy day. We poured these two footings here for this deck. They're getting the post in now. And then we also poured a new slab down here in the basement, which you can see all the forms on it still. That is where the new boiler is going. So it used to be over here, right in the middle of the basement. So we moved it off to the side here. You can see all the lines ran down that'll get tied into it. So it was a very dusty day yesterday. We were covered in concrete. I got home and shook my clothes off and it was like a cloud of dust. But the insulators were also here yesterday and got this entire place insulated. We saw them they started at like 8 a.m. and by 2 o'clock they were out of here. They had 3 guys. They flew through this house. So it looks awesome. Everything is done. We'll go upstairs and take a look real quick. But oh, Freddie, you got the front door in. When did you do this? Today? Nice. I just realized. Yep. Yep, don't forget you got to drill this through the PVC there. That was for the doorbell, that little wire. But up here, everything is all insulated. So this place looks great. We are starting to button it up and I'm excited to see the finished product. I just got here like 5 minutes ago with Guillermo. We were moving trucks this morning because winter is definitely over now, so we don't keep all of our trucks at our shop, all our plow trucks. We bring them up and put them in storage. So that's where I met him this morning, and then I took him with me to the dealer to pick up my Colorado that just got done with service. So no more Jeep for me back in the Colorado. But Rodrigo, Giovanni, and Byron are working at my father's house. They are doing some yard cleanup because we've had a lot of wind and there's branches down everywhere. But they're working there, and then I'm about to head to my house to work on my shower. I have my shower door, and my uncle is also meeting us there to change the piece of baseboard heat. So we are stretched all over the place today, but you can see all the insulation up here in the attic as well. So this place is ready for sheetrock. I believe there's a sheetrock delivery this afternoon. If we have time, we will come back over here at the end of the day. But I am gonna run to my father's real quick and check on those guys and then head to my house. All right guys, I just pulled up here and these are the trucks that we had brought up today. 2 of our pickup trucks plus this GMC, which we put 3 of our Western plows on to get them out of there, and they will go back on the shelves in here. You can see we got a couple stored up here that are just spares, some other stuff laying around. So when we get time, they'll go up on the shelves and we can put it here. But now we got 3 trucks out of our main shop, so that is nice. The guys are up cleaning the yard, so let's ride up there real quick and check on them. So Rodrigo's just moving that machine down, but they started up here and they're clearing all the branches, the big ones at least. Obviously there's a ton of trees, we live in the woods here. So they're getting everything cleaned up, the whole pool area. They're going through, leaf blowing and getting all the branches, throwing everything in here.
We need to go home when you.
It's Rodrigo landscaping today. So obviously that's just from this section up here. So there's a ton, but this is what they are doing today, getting all this clean. So they're in pretty good shape here. I'm gonna head to my house now, and I gotta clean my shower because I've been showering in it, and I don't want to leave like all the, it's like basically like soap scum on the walls from showering. The one thing I've realized quickly is that the glass tile does not like to stay clean. So I want to get it clean before we put the doors up so there's nothing left behind it. And hopefully I'm there before Vicente and my uncle, but I will see you guys there. All right guys, so it is 5:30 right now, and I just finished tightening all the bolts on the shower door and getting it 100% all positioned right and whatnot, and I think it came out great. I am pretty happy with how this looks. It took quite a bit longer than we thought it would. We have never installed this door. This door is from Century Bathworks, so it was our first time. We had to follow the instructions and take it nice and slow. But basically you have this header piece which has 2 screws in here, 2 screws on the other side, and that's just these squares here on the end really, and then this piece sits down in it. There are, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but there's slow close pieces in there, so I'll show you right here. Open it, right, and then if you just let it slide, it catches and closes the rest of the way. So basically you have to adjust the set screws in it and slide it left or right so that it is sealed against your tile there. But I think it looks awesome. I am very happy with it. Unfortunately, I dropped one of these rollers and cracked a piece of tile here, but it's just this small one, and I have an extra piece. I have a couple extra pieces, so I'm gonna have to cut that out and get that replaced, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. We also put the new baseboard in today. I know somebody commented on it because the old one was all beat up and it was just open. There was no cover on it. So there you go. That is being shown just for you if you're watching this video. I also got my splashes in. I don't know if I've showed you guys this, but I need to silicone and caulk them. I haven't done that yet, but I think this bathroom has come out looking very nice. I am extremely happy with it. But I think that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.